I'm meteorologist Joe Hansel with the Check Your Northwest Regional Forecast. Of course, all eyes into Monday as we get that total solar eclipse coming in. Going to be a great show for spots like Salem, Oregon, Boise, Idaho, and going right into Casper, Wyoming in that path of totality. And of course, we're watching that cloud forecast very closely in areas of the Pacific Northwest as traffic will be jamming for a lot of us, I'm sure, but it's very optimistic in terms of clear skies Monday early in the afternoon once we get into that eclipse. But we are watching for a lingering front that may be stuck in some of the mountainous areas of Idaho, northwest Wyoming, and Montana. So maybe a little cloudier in some of those areas. We'll keep a close eye as we get into early next week. Now today, for your Friday, there's a red flag warning once again for much of western Montana. Great Falls right in the middle of that for that wildfire potential. So be very cautious if you're thinking about camping for your Friday. Got to say, setting up a fire, not really recommending that. Fire weather watches for Saturday in areas of northern Idaho. Also air quality alerts in southwestern Oregon as some pollution is kind of lingering today as we're expecting dry conditions throughout this afternoon. Now, in some of these red shaded areas for the temperature forecast will be much hotter today, but behind a cold front for cities like Seattle will be refreshing for those highs. We're talking highs only in the 70s, and we should be dry region-wide as we're talking some mild middle 70s in Seattle. You're near 75 for your Friday. Jackson Hole 81. Boise, though, steamy summer-like day 91. And Redding, got you at 109.